Welcome to the world of Eve Pacific. I'm Noble Woods, your partner in evolution. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of artificial intelligence and automation. Ever wondered how to save time and boost your social media presence? Social media automation tools can help you automate social media posts, manage multiple social media accounts, and use social media scheduling to keep your content consistent. These tools also provide robust social media analytics and social media engagement metrics, helping you track your social media ROI and make data-driven decisions. Essentials of social media automation. Mastering social media automation can significantly boost your efficiency and effectiveness in managing multiple accounts. By selecting the right tools, you can streamline routine tasks, maintain consistency, and elevate your social media strategy. Understanding social media automation. Social media automation involves using software to manage and streamline repetitive tasks across platforms. These tasks can include scheduling posts, responding to comments, and engaging with followers. Automation tools such as Social Pilot and Sprout. Social allow you to create a content calendar, set up automated responses, and monitor activity all from one place. By automating these tasks, you can focus on more strategic efforts like content creation and engagement. Using AI, many tools can even generate content or suggest optimal posting times based on analytics. This keeps your content fresh and relevant. It's essential to understand what tasks you need to automate to choose the best platform for your needs. Choosing the right automation tools. Selecting the right automation tools depends on your specific needs and goals. Whether you need a tool for scheduling, analytics, or content creation, options are vast. For example, Hootsuite is excellent for managing multiple social media accounts, providing a unified inbox to handle comments and messages efficiently. On the other hand, Octopost is geared towards B2B companies, offering features like a people database to track leads. Look for tools that offer a mix of capabilities such as post scheduling, analytics, and AI-powered insights. Check user reviews, explore free trials, and ensure the tool integrates well with your current systems. This careful selection will enhance your social media strategy and drive better ROI. Social media management platforms. Social media management platforms make it simpler to handle multiple social media accounts, schedule posts, and analyze engagement metrics. Tools like Sprout Social, Sendable, Hootsuite, Content Studio, and Agorapulse offer a variety of features to save time and boost productivity. Popular social media management platforms. Sprout Social is a popular choice for its user-friendly interface and robust analytics. It supports detailed reporting and social listening, allowing you to monitor conversations about your brand. Agorapulse, another favorite, offers comprehensive features like post scheduling, inbox management, and reporting. Hootsuite stands out with its ability to manage numerous accounts across platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Sendable is known for its affordable pricing and integration with many social networks. Content Studio excels in content curation and automation, helping you discover and share trending topics easily. Evaluating platform features. When choosing a social media management platform, consider scheduling capabilities. Hootsuite and Agorapulse offer excellent scheduling tools that let you plan months in advance. Analytics is another crucial feature. Sprout Social provides detailed insights into your social media performance, helping you understand what works. Integration with other tools is important for seamless workflows. Sendable integrates with platforms like Google Analytics and Canva. User experience matters too. Platforms like Content Studio offer intuitive dashboards that make managing multiple accounts straightforward. Don't forget support and training. Many platforms offer tutorials and customer support to help you get started. By evaluating these features, you can choose the best platform tailored to your needs, ensuring efficient social media management and improved ROI. Scheduling and publishing content. Scheduling and publishing content effectively requires careful planning and the right tools to ensure your social media strategy runs smoothly. By creating a content calendar and following best practices for scheduling posts, you can keep your audience engaged and maintain a consistent presence online. Creating a content calendar. A content calendar helps you plan and organize your social media posts. It ensures that you post consistently and avoids last-minute rushes. You can use tools like CoSchedule or Loomly to create and manage your calendar. Start by listing key dates and events relevant to your audience. This could be holidays, product launches, or industry events. Then, slot in your planned posts around these dates, ensuring a balance of content types, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics. Use your calendar to schedule posts at optimal times when your audience is most active. Best practices for scheduling posts. When scheduling posts, timing is crucial. Use analytics tools like Social Pilot to determine when your audience is online. Schedule your posts during these peak times to maximize engagement. Maintain a mix of content, including promotional posts, tips, and user-generated content. This variety keeps your audience interested. It's also essential to review and adjust your schedule regularly. Changes in trends or unexpected events can impact your planned posts. Flexibility allows you to stay relevant and avoid posting outdated or insensitive content. Engaging the audience. Using social media automation tools can boost engagement with your audience by streamlining interactions and keeping your content fresh. Effective engagement comes from smart automation and tracking key metrics. Automation for increased engagement. One way to increase engagement is by automating your replies to comments and messages. Chatbots can be programmed to provide instant responses to common questions, which helps keep your followers engaged even when you're not online. This frees up time for you to focus on more complex interactions. Notifications are another tool to keep your audience engaged. Automated notifications for new posts, live videos, or special announcements can bring your followers back to your page. Content scheduling allows you to post consistently. Using social media scheduling tools like Social Pilot or Hootsuite ensures that your posts go up at peak times, maximizing visibility and engagement. Metrics for measuring engagement. Tracking social media. Engagement metrics is essential for understanding how well you're connecting with your audience. Key metrics include likes, shares, comments, and replies. These interactions give you a good idea of what content resonates with your followers. Analytics tools like those from Sprout Social can provide insight into engagement rates and trends over time. You can see which posts perform best and tailor your strategy accordingly. Looking at click-through rates, CTR, can also be very telling. Higher CTRs indicate that your audience finds your content interesting enough to learn more or take action. Another useful metric is the growth of followers, which can show the overall health and reach of your social media presence. By using these metrics, you can adjust your strategy to improve engagement continuously. Analytics and reporting. Understanding the performance of your social media efforts is vital. Analytics and reporting tools help you measure engagement, track key metrics, and gain insights to refine your strategy. Key metrics and reporting tools. Tools like BrandWatch focus on sentiment analysis, helping you understand how your audience feels about your brand. Using these tools, you can generate detailed reports that guide your business strategy. Interpreting social analytics data. Having data is one thing, knowing how to interpret it is another. When analyzing your social media metrics, look for trends over time. For instance, see if engagement rates increase with certain types of content or during specific times of day. Segmentation is also key. Break down your data by demographics, platforms, or even content types to see what works best for different audience segments. Use visual aids like graphs and heat maps to spot patterns more easily. For example, a spike in engagement might correlate with a recent promotional campaign. Finally, circle back to your business goals. Align your analytics with your objectives, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or boosting sales. This focus ensures that your social media strategy remains effective and targeted. Managing multiple accounts and teams. Managing several social media accounts and working with a team can get complicated. The right tools can help keep everything organized, streamline workflows, and ensure smooth collaboration. Tools for multi-account management tools like Sendable and Social Pilot are great for handling multiple accounts. These platforms offer features like post scheduling, content calendars, and social inboxes for easy team management. Sendable allows you to set up approval workflows, which ensures that every post gets reviewed before going live. This is perfect for maintaining quality and consistency. On the other hand, Social Pilot provides robust analytics and reporting. It helps you track your team's performance and your social media ROI. You can see what works and adjust your strategy accordingly. Zapier is another tool that helps automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative work. FTTT can create custom workflows for different team members, tailoring the process to your needs. These tools don't just make it easier to manage accounts. They improve team collaboration and help keep your social media presence consistent and engaging. Content curation and creation. In social media management, content curation and creation are vital tasks. These processes ensure a steady flow of engaging and relevant posts that capture your audience's attention. Automating content discovery. Finding the right content to share can be time-consuming, but content curation automation tools make it simpler. Tools like Promote can help you discover and share quality content automatically. You can set preferences and let these tools find articles, images, and videos that match your brand's voice. Using AI, these tools can predict what content will resonate most with your audience. They can scan the web, curating posts that are trending or relevant to your industry. This not only saves you time, but also keeps your social media content calendar full and up to date. Moreover, by automating content discovery, you ensure a diverse mix of media forms, including blog posts, videos, and infographics that can captivate your audience and keep them engaged. There you have it! Social media automation tools are transforming the way businesses manage their online presence. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your social media strategy, increase engagement, and achieve better results. From scheduling posts and managing multiple accounts to analyzing performance and curating content, automation offers unprecedented efficiency and insight. At Eve Pacific Media, we specialize in integrating AI into your marketing strategies. As a digital marketing and AI automation agency, we provide tailored solutions that enhance your marketing efforts, making them more efficient and profitable. Whether you need help with data analysis, personalization, automation, predictive analytics, or content creation, we've got you covered. Ready to revolutionize your content with AI? Contact Eve Pacific Media for a consultation. Visit evepacificmedia.com to learn more about our services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching. Continue to embrace AI with us and transform your business. Until next time, keep innovating and evolving.